Certainly. Let's delve into the ACTs and provisions related to free and compulsory education as a fundamental right, the Right to Education, RTE Act of 2009 and its amendments, as well as educational provisions within the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, RPWD Act of 2016. Free and compulsory education as a fundamental right, Article 21A. 1. The 86th Amendment Act of 2002 introduced Article 21A into the Indian Constitution, making free and compulsory education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years. 2. Article 21A mandates that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children in this age group in such manner as the state may, by law, determine. Right to Education, RTE Act, 2009. 1. The Right to Education Act was enacted by the Parliament of India on August 4, 2009. 2. The RTE Act operationalizes the mandate of Article 21A of the Constitution. 3. Key provisions of the RTE Act include: free and compulsory education for all children aged 6 to 14 years. Prohibition of the screening procedure for admission, capitation fees, and tuition fees. Norms and standards for infrastructure, pupil-teacher ratios, and quality of education. Special provisions for children belonging to disadvantaged groups and weaker sections. Appointment of trained teachers and implementation of child-friendly practices. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation to assess students' progress. 4. The Act also established the National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, NCPCR, and State Commissions for Protection of Child Rights, SCPCRs, to monitor and enforce its provisions. Amendments to the RTE Act. 1. The RTE Act has undergone amendments to address various challenges and improve its effectiveness. 2. Some notable amendments include: the RTE Amendment Act, 2012, which introduced changes to teacher eligibility criteria and teacher education programs. The RTE Amendment Act, 2017, which extended the deadline for teacher qualification requirements and included provisions for the training of untrained teachers. The RTE Second Amendment Act, 2019, which proposed changes to improve the quality of education, address learning outcomes, and enhance accountability. Educational provisions in the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, RPWD Act, 2016. 1. The RPWD Act, 2016, aims to promote, protect, and ensure the full and equal enjoyment of rights and opportunities for persons with disabilities. 2. Educational provisions in the RPWD Act include: ensuring inclusive education for children with disabilities in mainstream schools. Provision of reasonable accommodations, support services, and assistive devices to facilitate access to education. Establishment of special schools and resource centers for children with disabilities, where necessary. Promotion of skill development, vocational training, and lifelong learning opportunities for persons with disabilities. Reservation of seats in educational institutions for persons with disabilities, as per the provisions of the Act. These ACTs and provisions reflect India's commitment to ensuring universal access to quality education, including for children with disabilities, and underline the importance of inclusive and equitable educational opportunities for all.